Ooh, let's have a cup of tea. Morning everyone, and welcome to another video. So as you can probably tell by the title, this is a bit of a different video today. It took me 2.5 years to find this car and finally pulled the trigger on one that I was happy with, and I've tweaked this one in a way that I'm 100% happy with how it drives now. I still remember my first drive in this car like it was yesterday, and you know, it makes me a bit sad that I'm putting it up for sale, but some of you might be asking, why am I putting it up for sale? So I'm just going to run through really quickly why that is. This car was intended as a track toy, and what's been happening in the world has obviously meant that every track in the UK has been closed for the last year at least. So I haven't been able to do what I wanted to do with this car, but I have still been filming content with it for the last year, and you guys have been loving that content. The channel's been growing and it's been going down really, really well. I feel like I'd have to spend what the car is worth into the car already, so double the price of what I paid for it, and then try and make another year's worth of content out of it. And I feel like I might struggle doing that. At the moment, this car handles so well, and it is very, very perfect as it is right now. It's a brilliant driver's car. So I'd like to sell the car as is, with the Club Race coilovers on it, with the Mintex brake pads, with the Progress Technology sway bars, under-sealed, rust-free, and I'd hate to strip all the parts off it to make a bigger profit, because whoever buys this car like this is going to absolutely love it. The Auto Trader link with the sale price and everything is down below. If you'd like to take a look at that, please feel free to click on it, send me a message, an email, or ring me on the Auto Trader telephone number. And yeah, if you're really interested in a very good handling MX-5, one that's been lightly breathed on by someone who somewhat knows what he's doing, then this might be the car for you. Thank you very much for all the support you've given me so far. Like I say, it's not the end, it's just another chapter. There will be a feature car for the channel coming after this one. Let me know what you think that might be down in the comments. Is it going to be a lightweight sports car? Is it going to be a big V8 American muscle car? Or is it going to be, I don't know, a German diesel? So let me know what you'd like to see, and you might be able to sway my decision. Also, if you just want to meet me, don't ring me up and tell me that you're going to buy the car. I will meet you someday when the events are back open, and I'll let everyone know which events I'm going to. I might even sign a piece of paper for the person who's bought it to show that it was authentically my car. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.
How does the final journey? Sorry if my voice is a bit muffled, I'm wearing a face mask obviously.
It's the final journey. Whoever wants to buy it is more than welcome to come for a drive in it with me, so it won't exactly be the final journey, but it's one of the final journeys. But bearing in mind, last year I only did 1,300 and something miles in this car, so that's not a lot, considering that a couple of hundred of those were to be to drive and get it under sealed. So yeah, I've not driven it a lot recently, but it feels good. Let's go before we get arrested.
Yep. Did you see that? I was like, oh.
I was like, damn, it's a police car.